Hello everyone, Big Friendly Wargame here again. Now this is episode 3 of how I paint models. I'm still on the undercoating, so I've shown you how to undercoat individual models which are roughly that size. I've showed you how to batch paint models, spray paint models, which is on the stick there. So now today I'm going to show you how to paint larger models, the sort of models that you get that don't have bases, obviously, because bases there stuck to that cork, bases there are stuck to the stick. Now you get big stuff like this Necron Doom sight. Now you could hold it and spray paint it like that, but again you're going to be covering bits up and then you're going to be touching where you've already spray painted, which you don't really want to do because you'll end up with fingerprints and glove prints. So what I do is get a box. Now as you can see, this has been spray painted in already, and it's a Tyranid drop pod box. It's fairly shallow, it's not very deep, and all you basically do is put your model in like that. Now this is more to protect like the surrounding stuff. You don't want to be spray painting on, say, your table outside in the garden, get spray paint all over it. If that doesn't bother you, then just go stick it on the table, it's fine. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and spray paint this. And this will take me a couple of times because, like I said, with models like this, you spray it that side up if this ever wants to stop wobbling because of the gun. Generally speaking, I don't glue that gun in, but this is a second hand one I bought. So you're going to spray the top there, and then you're going to let it dry, flip it over and spray the bottom, and then it's just a case of you want to go around on the inside, just catch any bits you've missed. But I'm going to do that now and I will show you how it turns out afterwards. Right, so I've been gone about half an hour because you got to turn it and then spray it again and everything. But so basically, so I'll get this on dry parts. So that's the Doom Scythe now. Now the coverage is fairly good. I'm not going to say I've got it 100%, but it's good enough for it to be a base coat and an undercoat. So yeah, that, like I said, this is how I paint my Necrons. They're spray painted Danbury dust. So yeah, so there's one more video I'm going to do with undercoating models, and that's undercoating using when you're intending to use contrast paints. But that'll be the next video, and that's it for today. For now, I will see you next time.